can scan the T-Rex and get its weight.
Yeah.
Yeah. We are getting close to the T-Rex sector. Oh. Ow.
Ew!
Oh.
Dino snot!
Ugh. Uh-oh. Run!
Yeah!
Uh-oh.
What uh-oh?
No!
I love this T-Rex ranch dressing.
It's finally finished.
What's finished?
I made a dino guidebook. So it has all our dinosaurs in it. So they're
Wow.
all their stats in here. So it has how much they weigh and what they eat. We have Triceratops,
Wait,
Stegosaurus. What?
I think something's missing.
Really?
Yeah.
One. I have Velociraptor. Oh, the weight of the T-Rex. I forgot to put that. You know what? I can just fill it in with my notes I have. Wait a minute. Now, where did I put my notes? Where are they? I don't see it.
There.
I don't see. I mean, I had them. I don't know where those notes are.
Maybe you left them at the Raptors.
You're right. I did go over there and feed them earlier, but if I left them over there, they definitely ate them.
I know, the Mega Dino Ray.
Yeah, that's a good idea. All right. I'll just call Park Ranger LB and maybe he can zap it over for us.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Oh, hello.
Hey,
Hey, LB, we have a problem.
we do have a problem. Hey, do you think you can send over the Mega Dino Ray so I can scan the T-Rex and get its weight?
Oh yeah, the one I used to scan the Megalodon that time.
Yeah.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, I'll zap it right over.
That'd be great. You're the best.
Oh, and I'll also send you that nightlight you wanted, Park Ranger Tara.
Oh, no. You don't need to.
Bye.
Okay, so he's gonna send that right over to us.
Yes.
Yes.
That is awesome.
It's gonna be awesome. We're gonna scan the T-Rex and get its weight. Oh, this nightlight. I don't need this nightlight. I don't know what he's thinking. I don't know what he's thinking.
Cool, the Mega Dino Ray.
Perfect. Now I can scan the T-Rex and get its weight.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's make sure this is working properly. Okay. Scan.
Creature identified, Park Ranger Tara. Special skills, sleepy darts, baking, and gadget inventing. Age.
Oh no, we don't need all that information. It works.
That's awesome.
All right, so let's go scan that T-Rex.
Let's go.
All right, according to our GPS tracker, we are getting close to the T-Rex sector. Oh, ow.
Ew!
Oh.
Dino snot!
Ugh, well, it'll probably still work. I mean, high-tech gadgets we have here, right?
Yeah. Look!
Oh, okay, there he is. So we have to creep in closer, just a little bit closer. All right, now we can scan it.
No luck.
It's not working, no. Let me get a look. Why isn't it working? I don't. Oh.
What are we gonna do now?
I don't know. It's so far up. And we can't climb that tree because it's way out in the branches. I don't even think you could reach it if I put you on my shoulders. Let's see. I have an idea. I brought my water blaster, and I think if we aim and hit it enough with water, it'll fall down, right?
Yeah.
So I think that we'll do that. Oh, did I get you?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, ready? Aim. Fire. Good thing it's waterproof.
It's working.
It is
working.
It is. Yeah.
It worked.
Nice. Okay, so now somehow I have to manage to get close enough to the T-Rex so I can scan it. Hold your Herrerasaurus. I have just that plan. Okay.
What is it?
This is an invisibility muffin.
No, it's not. I can see it in your hand.
No, not an invisible muffin, an invisibility muffin. All I have to do is take one little bite of this and it can turn me invisible just for a little bit. Then I'll be able to get right up close to the T-Rex and then I can scan him with the Mega Dino Ray. Yeah?
Cool!
All right. Bon appetit. So, did it work?
You Benosaurus, it did!
Okay. Well, here goes nothing.
Ow! What happened?
I just tripped. I'm okay, nobody saw that.
Keep going! Uh-oh!
What? Why uh-oh? Uh-oh. Well, I'm still working out the kinks. Run!
Yeah!
That was a close one, right? Yeah. All right, but we got the information. Oh, I see what was going on.
What?
There's some dino snot on here. That's why I was acting all finicky when I was trying to scan them. But the water blasters got it, some of it. So we still got the information stored in here, all right?
Yeah.
You do the honors. You turn that on, let's get that data.
That's awesome.
Creature identified, Tyrannosaurus rex. Name comes from the Greek word meaning tyrant lizard. Weight of this T-Rex is 17,500 pounds.
17,500 pounds.
Exactly. There, our dino guidebook is now complete. Perfect.
High five.
All right, I think that's time for dessert.
Muffins?
Don't worry, these are just regular muffins, not invisibility muffins.
Okay, good.
And I think, oh, wait a minute. Did I leave those at the other table? Uh-oh.
What uh-oh?
Uh-oh. I promise it's gonna wear off. I promise it is. Don't water blast me. It's gonna wear off.